I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com on Wednesday night before Thanksgiving. Listen, before I get into Apple, and I got a lot to say about this, I want to basically do you a favor. I think the last time and the only time that we've done this is maybe back in 2007 or 2008. We're offering you a free, that's free, F-R-E-E, 6-week trial for Stock Market Mentor, free. Why am I doing this? Because I want you on my team. I want you in there. We're doing some monster trades in there now, and more importantly, folks are learning a lot as far as how to trade by themselves. So if you haven't done that, this is I mean, frankly, what are you waiting for? I'm totally serious. We've maybe done this. I'm pretty sure we've done it in about 2008. I guarantee you we will never do this again. In fact, save this tape. If you ever see us offer a free 6-week trial again, send me an email. I'll send you $1,000. I'll send you $2,000. So there's really no reason, unless you're just like not trading, in which case, why are you watching this video? But there's no reason for you not to try it out. If you go over to our sign-up page right now, we're offering what we always do, a free 14-day trial. So this, you get an extra month to check it out. And what you're going to find is you're going to learn a heck of a lot about trading that you didn't know, and I don't care what your experience level is, because it's not just about me. We got a bunch of monster traders on the website in the forum every day, and if you have not checked that out, I'm just telling you, you're missing some great trades, like some great trades. Hey, speaking of great trades, let's talk about Apple. We have price alerts, and these price alerts are based, they're not just, in fact, they're not price alerts, they're strategy alerts. They're based on my analysis. One that I want to show you today is about Apple. I had mentioned Apple back on November 13th, right here, noting that this stock was poised to move higher. You can check it out. This was an alert that was triggered, and the whole idea was because this was in a volatility squeeze, we've got support right down about around here. The stock absolutely was looking like it was poised to move higher. This trade has been money. We were in this over on Option Market Mentor several days ago. The trades are monster trades. So this is what you missed. What are you going to get going forward? And this is free stuff. This isn't on the website. This is right here, right now. I think you got to look back at Apple. Look at this type of bull pattern. And by the way, I'm not an Appleonian. I'm not one of these guys that's been bullish on Apple all along. In fact, frankly, I was on CNBC somewhere around here. I think it was around 500, maybe 550, saying that you got to short the thing. The reason you want to short it is it's actually kind of simple. The uptrend was broken. The 50-day, or this is the 20 period moving average here, but the 40-week moving average, which is the 200-day moving average, was broken there. So this is the time you want to short the stock. Reason I'm saying that is I'm not a guy that pounds the table all the time on Apple. To me, it's just a ticker, AAPL. Take off the L, and it's Advanced Auto Parts. It doesn't matter to me. But when I look at this, I see where the stock has been, where the stock could go. I don't know anybody who says that Apple is not a good value. They may not like the product, but this is a good value. So nowadays, when you've got a stock like this starting to move higher, the professional money managers know, they get it, they understand the company. This is the type of stock that they're going to be chasing into the end of the year. I hear a lot of folks, bears talking about, oh, the market's gone up so much, it's not going to go up anymore this year. That's stupid, blah, blah, blah. I don't think it is at all. This is a Fed-driven rally, and the question is not whether the market is going to go up into the end of the year. I think that's a given. The question is which stocks are the ones that we want to be in as we go into the end of the year. And in the weekend update, in the videos that I'm showing to members this weekend, I'm talking about all the ones that are working and the ones that we want to be in. I mean, that's really what I'm limiting the thing to. But I will tell, and so get over there and figure out what else we need to be in. But I'm telling you, this is one stock that's going to work. It's going to totally work. It has been working. Don't expect it to go up every single day. Low liquidity Friday. I would imagine the stock's going to move up further just because it's an illiquid day, and stocks that are in motion tend to stay in motion. Not going to get this stock advancing every day, but I'm telling you, between now and the end of the year, Apple is going to be higher than 545. My bet is, frankly, let's say 600, okay? Can it move that much higher before the end of the year? Dude. It's 11/27. It's November 27th. Stock moved 13 points today. Yes, it can move another 60 points in a little over a month. So anyway, that's my take on Apple. I think you want to get long. I want you to stay long. And also, again, a 6-week free trial at Stock Market Mentor. I just upped the ante. Upped the reward to $2,000. If you ever see us do this again, I'll send you the check. I'll write it from my personal checking account. And I had to pause the videotape for just a sec because I had to check with Gary, like, how the heck long are we going to do this? This is going till Sunday. It's going to go through the weekend. I'll pick an arbitrary time, and we'll say 11:52 p.m. Eastern time is when this ends. Actually, it'll just be midnight. But this will go through Sunday, and so I want you to check that out. Seriously, if you're trading, I mean, frankly, it's kind of stupid for you not to at least try this because it doesn't cost you anything. It's the ultimate risk-free trade. Have I pounded the table enough to get you to try it out? Good. I'm done. Have a happy Thanksgiving, safe, happy, and full of love. I'll see you next time on the other side.